Drink?
Sure, to lighten my feeling.
Hey! The girls are coming!
Hey! What's up?
Yeah.
Let's
How are
drink!
you guys? Sure. It's been a long time since I drank.
Are you sure? It looks like you're not fit to drink today.
Haha, maybe I'm just nervous to drink today. We shouldn't drink because it may cause Artem some problems or sickness.
Yeah, nowadays, it's hard to have a sickness.
I'm sorry. It's wrong for me to invite you.
There's still many things that we can do to have fun. Yeah, we could go to malls.
Yeah, it's not right to drink. There are still many alternatives. Let's sing!
Sure.
Come on!
Go! Wait,